A local derby, Cardiff Draconians versus Caerau. Old foes, but old friends as well.
Yeah, against Caerau, we've got boys who've left us and gone to Caerau, and boys who've left Caerau to come to us. We've even had one who's left us to go to Caerau and come back.
Yeah, arfer chwarae I Caerau. Mae lot wedi newid ers I fi adael. Mae'n neis I chwarae yn erbyn nhw'n eto.
Captain Caerau nawr, cyn captain fan hyn. Lot o tynnu coes yn yr wythnos nawr welan?
Ie, tipyn bach, rhoi efo teulu yn triol wind fi up, ond mae'n digwydd. Dwi'n hoffi e.
It's always a difficult place to come, especially local derby as well. There's lots on it. For the players, young players, a little bit of nerves around it, and you just want to get out and play. You want it to be match day, like.
Oh, everyone loves a local derby. I loved it as a player, and I love it even more as a manager. You know, I wish I could get on the pitch.
Nana being an ex-Caerau manager, but obviously with us now, and brought us to where we are today at Tier 2 in the JD Cymru South. Worked wonders at Caerau. Hopefully you're going to do the same with us.
Caerau was the first ever team that I managed. Mark and Mike gave me the chance, I think it's about 15 odd years ago, to be a manager at the age of 29.
10 years ago, since you won the league, I must be up there in terms of career achievements.
Oh, massively. I think I peaked too soon. We were the misfits, you know, the players that nobody wanted or no one rated, and it's just about getting them together and to play for each other, and that's what they did. So yeah, I've got lots of fond memories. And one of my players that I won the league with Caerau, Jamal Roberts, is still with me, and he won it with the Dracs as well. So yeah, it's all great things that have all come together, and yeah, it's been fantastic, yeah.
Established back in 1963, a bit of a nomad club at the beginning, but we've been local to this area since the 80s. Worked up from what you'd probably say is parks, right the way up through the leagues. In the JD Cymru South, we've had to do a lot of things with the ground. Some people will see some changes here on how we look on our setup. We've got a new stand going in, or 2 stands either side of the existing one, so will give us basically 250 seats, so that should be in September, and we're continually changing.
Wel, mae cwd bach, lot o bobl yn agos a teimlad o gymuned da yma, so mae'n neis I nhw gael profiad o'n un ennill, cos 100 tro cyntaf I ni fod yn y Cymru South i'r clwb, so yeah, profiad da, ond ni eisiau gwella, ddim just bod yn team sydd just yma am y profiad, ni eisiau gwneud yn dda yn y cyngor yma fyd.
You get punished for your little mistakes. There's a bit more quality in terms of the players that you're playing against, and they're all seasoned players, you know. So it's about us not being too nervous, but yeah, it won't take much. I think it'll take us a couple of games, but we'll still keep doing the basics that we do and keep doing them well.
I think the character of our lads to come here today, local bragging rights up for grabs as well. So for us to come here and get 3 points and a clean sheet is a really positive result for us, and keeps us unbeaten at the start of the season.
A lot of ffrindiau, teulu yma. Pryd mae gêm yn dechrau, mae hwnna'n mynd mas o'r window. So yeah, o'n i'n meddwl, oedd e'n hwyl I dod nôl, oedd e'n mynd I bod yn anodd, o'n i'n meddwl bydd llawer mynd I digwydd ar yr ochr, ond yeah, hwnna'n pêl-droed. Byddwn ni'n enjoy heno, cael pinc, got y gyd yn nhw on to next week now, so yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the boys played really well. They worked hard, they did everything I asked them to do. They showed the grit and determination that you want from a Cardiff Draconian player. And it's just fine margins, it's just those little things that sometimes you don't get right. But yeah, we'll keep going, we'll keep working hard, and once it clicks, it will work.
The community's been behind us a lot, you know, constantly over the years, and it's important for us to give something back. Working hard with some local charities as well, with youth, just to really progress the area as well as the club. We're working hard with the council to transform what this park could do, and yeah, our aspirations to be in the Prem, yeah, why not?